Hey y'all, it's the start of day 5. I've had a pretty boring morning, seen some gorgeous scenery, but I drove from Madeira all the way up here to, right now I'm in South Lake Tahoe, and I'm at the supercharger, charging the Tesla. So, it says I've got 30 minutes worth of charge, or 30 minutes more till I can leave. So, let's see what kind of shenanigans we can get in. Alright, so this Tesla supercharging station is at the Hard Rock Cafe casino. So I'm just exploring because I don't gamble. Exploring it, it's pretty cool. This is some Elvis stuff. Awesome drones. See, look how cool. All kinds of stuff everywhere. Here's some more cool exhibits. They have some of Elvis. And then of course your casino and bar and restaurants. Well y'all, I have made it to Secret Cove. It is beautiful. I just flew the drone and got some amazing shots. So, check out the B-roll. Alright y'all, Secret Cove kicked my tail. It's a beautiful beach, like beautiful. Okay, problem was, it was like all downhill. You know, all downhill, both ways. You know how your grandparents told you that story. I walked all the way uphill, all the way uphill both ways to get to school. You know that crap. So, I've been driving around and everywhere has been really crowded and I couldn't find a parking spot or somewhere I'd trust to park the Tesla. So, I found this spot near Sierra Park, right here at Nevada and California's border, basically. And so I'm just sitting in the Tesla flying my drone. I can see it. That's a good thing about it. I'm not breaking the laws. I can still see it. So enjoy this footage. Alright, I think I finally found me a beach I can go to without having to hike a mile. Speedboat Beach. This has a nice little path. Heard it's busy though, so might get to fly the drone, might not. Be perfect for a golf cart. Speedboat Beach, yes, a little busy. A little busy. So, the northern part of Lake Tahoe is where you can see the pretty Nevada sign. Or Nevada, tomato, tomato. So, look, there's Nevada's beautiful state sign. I-80 is full of hills and twists and turns, but I would prefer, if I go back, I would prefer to take the interstate over the northern part of Lake Tahoe, going towards the northern part. I'd rather take that instead of the southern point where it was 2-lane road and it was constantly back and forth, switchbacks, and yeah, I didn't like that. But this is manageable. I can set it on autopilot and go. I know that this video has had a lot of drone shots in it. Guilty as charged. I really enjoyed flying the drone at Lake Tahoe, and I thought that it would be an appropriate time right now to stop the video and to go ahead and end it for today. Now, I'm going to publish another video with the Donner Party, and have decided to do that one a little bit different because I am a history teacher. I am a history buff. So if you like this video, please like it. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and please share it. Thank you for watching.